What's up, guys?
Welcome to SKJ Reviews. Are you tired of wasting hundreds of dollars every month on hosting platforms like GoDaddy, HostGator, Dropbox, and ClickFunnels? What if I told you there's a way to host unlimited websites, store unlimited files, and create unlimited funnels with just a one-time payment? No more monthly fees eating into your profits. Today I'm reviewing InfiniteSuite, the world's first Intel Xeon CPU-based hosting technology that's about to change everything. Imagine having all your websites loading in under 2 seconds with 99.999% uptime, while saving up to $1,000 per year. This isn't just another hosting service. This is your ticket to maximizing profits in your online business. If you're into affiliate marketing, digital marketing, or SEO traffic generation, you know how crucial website speed and reliability are. But why keep paying monthly when you can pay once and own it forever? Stick around because this review might just be the most important video you watch all week.
Let me break down WHY InfiniteSuite is different.
First, it's powered by Intel Xeon processors, the same technology used by enterprise-level servers. This means your websites load 30x faster than traditional hosting. We're talking under 0.3 seconds load time versus 1.5 to 2 seconds on platforms like GoDaddy or Vimeo. Here's the real pain point. How much are you currently spending monthly? GoDaddy charges $79.99, Dropbox $34.99, ClickFunnels hundreds more. It adds up to thousands yearly.
With InfiniteSuite, you pay just $16 on a time and get unlimited hosting, unlimited cloud storage, unlimited video hosting, and unlimited funnel creation.
But here's what really excites me: the built-in commercial license. You can start your own hosting agency and sell these services to clients. They're including 60+ reseller licenses for early buyers. Think about that. You could recover your investment with just one client. The platform is 100% newbie-friendly with built-in cPanel, one-click WordPress installation, and 24/7 support. No technical skills needed. Just log in, choose your services, and access everything in one click. They've made it ridiculously simple to move your existing websites too. Now let's talk about the biggest concern. Is it really reliable? Here's what convinced me: 99.999% uptime guarantee, daily backups included, free, built-in malware protection, and end-to-end SSL encryption. Compare this to traditional hosting where you pay extra for backups and security. But wait, there's more. They're offering an ironclad 14-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you get double your money back. That shows how confident they are in their product. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true at just $16. And you're right to be skeptical. That's why I tested it thoroughly.
The result?
Blazing fast loading speeds, seamless website migrations, and the peace of mind knowing I'm saving $81 monthly compared to their regular $97 pricing. Here's the catch though: they can only offer this one-time price to limited users. Why? Because to maintain those super fast server speeds, they need to limit the number of accounts. Once they hit their capacity, the price goes back to monthly subscriptions. If you're serious about cutting costs and boosting your online business, this is your moment. The reseller licenses alone are worth thousands if you want to start your own hosting business. Now let me show you exactly what you're getting. The regular value is over $33,840, but you're getting it for just $16 today. Here's the breakdown: unlimited hosting worth $9,990, cloud storage worth $1,590, free SSL certificates worth $490, daily backups worth $1,990, and 24/7 support that's priceless. But that's not all. They're throwing in 10 fast action bonuses worth $19,997. You're getting Verve, that $8 billion LinkedIn loophole system, NFT Finder, AI thumbnail creator, AI lead gen, AI CB profits, Google AI, free membership to exclusive groups, live training, Exile Profit, and Kingpin traffic software. Let me be real with you. I've reviewed countless tools, but this is the most complete package I've seen. The bonuses alone are worth more than most standalone products. And remember, you're getting lifetime access with no monthly fees ever. The platform is cloud-based with SSD servers, making it accessible from anywhere. Whether you're running WordPress sites, e-commerce stores, affiliate sites, or sales funnels, everything loads lightning fast. Google loves fast websites, which means better rankings and more traffic to your offers. So here's my final verdict: InfiniteSuite is a game-changer for anyone serious about online business. At just $16 one-time versus $97 monthly, the math speaks for itself. You're saving $81 immediately and potentially thousands yearly. The choice is simple. Option 1. Keep paying monthly fees to GoDaddy, Dropbox, and ClickFunnels, dealing with slow speeds and limited resources. Option 2. Make one smart investment, host everything in one place with blazing speed, and use those savings to scale your business. I've put the link in description below. It's a special discount link that might not last long. Remember, they're limiting accounts to maintain server speed. so this offer could disappear anytime. Click that link now while it's still available at $16. You're protected by 14-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. But once they switch to monthly pricing, this opportunity is gone forever. If you found this review helpful, do me a favor, comment below about which business you're in and what you thought of InfiniteSuite. Share this video with your friends and relatives who might benefit too. Subscribe to SKJ Reviews and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our future content.